How to install Teamviewer for Android devices. On your Android tablet or phone, find the Play Store and tap on it to open it up. Your screen should now look something like this. Tap in the search box at the top and your keyboard should appear, like this. Now type Quick Support, all one word. When done, tap on the search button. You should now see this screen. If so, tap on the Install button. Now tap on the Accept button. The app should take less than a minute to install. Well done, you've just installed Teamviewer Quick Support. Tap on the Open button to start it. This part is important. The first time you open it, you'll need to swipe left 2 times to get past this introduction. Once, twice. You should now see the word Done in the bottom right-hand corner. Tap on it. This is the main Teamviewer Quick Support screen. The important part is the ID number. Your AbilityNet volunteer will ask you for this so they can remotely access your device.